Guys, this is McCoven again. All I'm gonna say is if you leave a comment below. Some basher stuff. Just kind of bored and I just go put whatever. And yeah, just want to make a video with this guy one more time. Oh, sorry. Say hi. He's trying to spoon. He's like, yo, what's up? Say what's up. Hey. What happened? He was like 3 months old. That's how old he is. He's 3 months, born to December. Oh, you want more? Let's get once more. I need to keep watching the picture or the can really of the guy, because I was kind of saying Baby Legs and all that. Yeah, you should go subscribe to Baby Legs and Basher. They're cool. And Heather Candy Crush, I think. Really cool. Thanks for the comments. If you have a channel, you should go check out her channel if she has one. And yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. And also I got an iPhone. Wait, oh my god. iPhone. So